This outdoor table tennis table feels purpose-built for patios and backyards, with weather-resistant materials that hold up well to sun, rain, and humidity over the long term. The aluminum composite playing surface, backed by a solid steel apron, gives a surprisingly consistent and lively bounce that recreational players and more serious hitters can both enjoy. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward since the table arrives mostly put together, so you go from box to playing your first game in only a short time. Once set up, the welded steel legs, levelers, and locking wheels create a stable, level platform that stays put even on slightly uneven surfaces. The ability to fold one side up for solo practice and to nest the two halves into a compact footprint makes this table practical for smaller spaces and shared garages. Thoughtful touches like the included outdoor rated net set and the smooth folding mechanism make the table feel like a well-engineered, long-term addition to an outdoor game area.